Gold finally showed signs of exhaustion, hitting the highs at 3168. Earlier in the day, we have discussed why gold might try to take a dip here, and see, already it has seen the levels at 3090, while silver has crashed sharp. It has moved all the way towards 32, 35, 40 zone. What to expect now with the US session? Can we expect this down move to continue? If yes, where are the targets going to be? Where the gold is heading? Where the silver is heading? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is always a great motivation from you all. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts taking a good hit. It has already seen the highs earlier in the day. We have seen, see, it has taken the support here from 20 period. Now it is trading well below the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average, which is clearly a bearish sign on the hourly charts. The moving averages have started to converge. These are crossing over here. Certainly it's a bearish sign. Now it is going to be important for gold to break now below 3080, 3070 zone. This should be an ideal support zone for gold, and if this is taken, then you can say now the bears are back, and we can look forward to the next target at 3060, which is also a very good support, and below 3060 is where we are going to see a major correction towards 3040 level. Right now, too early to conclude. Why? Because see, first of all, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence putting pressure on the bands to expand. This might show a pullback within the bands here. It can try to show a pullback. It might trade or fall back again above 3100, 3110 zone. And yes, 3080 should be a very critical zone for gold to break below, because below that is where we can see a very good fall. Right now, it appears to be shying away from it. Also notice it's been long since gold has traded in this bullish zone, and it is now trying to converge. This definitely might continue with the downside here. Possibility exists is strong. Stochastic already oversold. The MACD is trading with sharp divergence and bearishness looking downwards, delivering bigger candles suggesting more bearishness ahead. RSI is also dropped and right now looking downwards. If you see the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart. See, after staying outside Bollinger Bands, it is trying to fall back within the bands here. Very important for gold to trade below 3080. That is the only level below which you can expect more bearishness, and this complete zone between 38 3070 is something you should watch out for. This is going to be a crucial zone for gold to break. What's happening here? It has started with a down move. It is trying to fall back within the bands here. If it trades above 3110 again, you can initiate a buying, and specifically now this is the zone, that is 3130. It needs to trade above 3130 in order to confirm a reversal. As long as gold now trades below 3130, we should not be treating this as bullish. Very clear. What is happening here? Notice on the hourly charts, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement. Also, if you connect the dots, this is how it has been trading. The lows here for this channel is somewhere here at around 3040, 3060 zone. This is an achievable level, and this should be a greater support zone as well. Stochastic oversold. The MACD crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI has dropped sharp. On the 3-hour charts, when you look at on the 3-hour, the observation is more or less same outside Bollinger Bands, putting the pressure on the bands to expand. It is not that it cannot continue here. Yes, it can continue to put the pressure on the bands to expand by staying completely outside the bands. However, I can see a very good support coming in for gold first at around 3080, 84, and then till towards 3070. This is the zone. Again and again I am highlighting this zone. It has to break below this, and then we can expect it to move towards 3060, the next targets, and 3040 levels possibly. Everything is possible. We have seen a greater rise in gold for weeks and months, and it is now time for gold to give up a little on that. If you see the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI dropped sharp. On the 4-hour, similar observation here. The prices moved towards the 50 period moving average here, and I can see a bit of support. It has to trade below this. It has to trade below 3080, which will confirm the next round of down move. Then 3070, 3060, and then 3040 levels should appear. Possibility is there. Notice after every round of rise it retraces. After every round of rise it retraces. It has to trade below this, that is 3000 levels and 2980 for a confirmation of reversal on the daily charts. That is the level below which you can say gold is turning bearish, and then you can look forward to a long-term trend correction or reversal, long-term trend reversal, I will say. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned the crossover is coming at the top, and this may continue here on the downside. And see, it has still got lot much of room on the downside, which suggests there is a strong possibility for gold to move towards 30, 40, 30, 60 zone in the near future. If not today, then tomorrow, and if not tomorrow, then next week. These levels will be there. If you see the RSI is come out of the overbought zone, now looking downwards, trading bearish. Coming to the daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts here. See, first of all, this is how it has been trading: higher lows, higher highs. Now see the 20 period here, and I have shared several times, whenever you see divergence of price from the 20 period, the possibility of convergence will always be very high. What it is doing right now, it is doing or delivering higher lows. It has to stay below 3080, and then what we see prices moving towards 3040 levels. And remember, it's been long since it has breached the 20 period here. Then this time, possibly once it moves towards 20 period, we can see a move towards 3000 or 2980, and below that a greater correction should follow, hopefully. If not today, then this movement should be there very soon. However, if you see it today trading above 3110, you can initiate 3112. If you can, if you see gold trading above, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 3120. And if 3120 is taken, expect the next movement towards 3130. 3120, 3130 is again going to remain the most critical zone for the day. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD, which was trading sharply bullish, it is now trying to converge, and the RSI looking downwards. So looking at first is where you should sell. I will recommend you to sell at 3094. Expect 3088, 3080, then 3070, 72, then 3060, and then 3040 level should appear. Possibility is there that gold might try to show a slide here, but we have to trade with caution. This is gold. We have been seeing extreme volatility here, and thus we need to be cautious. It can show you a swing on the upside and then take a hit. Be mindful of this. On the upside, you can buy here at 3106 levels, and if you see it is staying above 3106, expect it to move towards 3110-12 first target, 3120 second, and if 3120 is taken, possibility of 3130 level should increase. But I will say in between also 3125 levels you should keep a check on. This complete zone between 3120 3130 is going to remain critical. Only and only if you see gold trading above 3130, treat this as bullish, else it is going to take a major hit. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. First of all, silver on the hourly charts, it has taken a major hit. It has come down to this zone where it is consolidated, and this complete zone between 32 to 32 80 levels. This is the zone where we have seen a good consolidation. First rise, then retracement, second rise, then retracement. Remember, the support levels are still at 32. So the possibility of a movement towards 32 is there. Only thing is how much time it's going to take, because already we have seen a silver taking a good hit today. So it might try to pull back a little, and it might try to take a little time for it to get back to $32 levels. Also notice, you can see lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen. As long as now 3320, 3330 zone is not taken, we should not be treating this as bullish. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence looking downwards. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is sharply bearish here. This calls for a little convergence, which also calls for it to deliver slight greener candles. RSI is staying oversold. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart, similar observation, price is staying outside Bollinger Bands. If you see now silver trading below 3240, expect another round of drop, which is going to take it all the way towards 32. Remember, when it was trading bullish, it has delivered tremendous bullishness, and now it is time for gold and silver to deliver the down move or erase some of the gains what we had seen for last few weeks. And right now silver is on the path, though I can see it is outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it can show you a pullback all the way towards 33. Stochastic oversold. The MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is staying oversold here. On the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. 3 red candles, sharp red candles, right from 34. We have seen the movement all the way towards 32, 40, 60. Now 32, 40, 50 or 40, 60 is definitely a greater resistance zone. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned that once you see silver trading below 33, expect it to move towards 32, 50 levels. What it has done, it has moved towards 32, 50, 40 zone, which is indeed right now proving out to be greater support. The moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, looking downwards, staying bearish, and there is lot much of still down room available in silver. Stochastic oversold. The MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI coming to an oversold zone. Silver, after a good hit, it has come towards now an oversold zone, but it is not that it cannot stretch the zone here. Yes, it can put the pressure on the bands to expand and it can continue to trade with this momentum. However, I think it is definitely going to find it difficult to stay below 32.40, and if it stays below 32.40, the pullback will be difficult. We are looking at $32 levels, the next targets. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is sharply divergent and bearish, RSI coming to an oversold zone and coming to daily. Now, earlier in the day, we have discussed first, second, third, and I have mentioned that see, this is double top. This may try to come back down. And if you look at the move here, just connect the lows and the highs, and this is what it is aspiring towards. And if this time silver breaks below 32, we are ready for another round of correction, which is going to take it towards 31. And this time, once silver trades below 31, be ready for a greater correction in silver prices. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over. This is what also we have seen. MACD crossing over at the top, looking downwards, staying bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. So considering this, when you see the higher price in silver below 32.40, take a sell, expect it to move towards 32. And if 32 is taken, uh, it is not going to stop there itself. Just be careful at around 31. 80 85, this should also be a very good support, and below 31 80 85, it is not going to stop towards 31.40 $31 levels. The next destinations are far below. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.